There he is. Looks like a good one. It is. Oh, it's a good one, bro. Look at that. What a beautiful fish. Got him. Oh, got bit on the first cast. He hit it on. Oh, he came back for it. See him? Got him. You got him? Double up, double up, double up, baby.
What's up, my guy? What's up?
Welcome back, Texas Rhythm family. We are out here on the river. Just got a big rainstorm that came through. Been raining for the past probably like 10-12 hours, non-stop rain. So I figured, hey, why not go do some muddy water fishing down at the river? So that's exactly where we're at. Water is completely chocolate milk, but they say the fish bite right after a rainstorm. So we're probably gonna be out here throwing a bunch of different baits, maybe doing a little flipping, a bunch of different stuff. So you guys stay tuned, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get into this video. Should be pretty good right here. Ooh, that water is dirty.
I don't know if the fluke gonna do it. It's a little too bright.
We find them schooling, it'll do it. I see a bunch of bait fish. See them?
Yep.
Right on the edge. Got him. Oh, got bit on the first cast. He hit it on. Oh, he came back for it. See him?
Oh.
Got him. Oh, there's two. There's one with him. There's one with him. Get that fluke in there. There's one with him. Oh, there was another one about the same size with him. Heck yeah, not a bad start. Hey, on the old jerk bait. That was cool because the other one was trying to get the jerk bait out of his mouth. It's not a bad fish. Got a little size to him. We might have found him schooling. You got him? Double up, double up, double up, baby. One cast each, one fish each?
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
That was the first cast. I just let it work. I just worked it back and let it sink down to the bottom because I was trying to film.
All right, good stuff, brother. Hey, yeah, they're still in there because like I said, he was chasing. There we go, guys. We're gonna get back in there, try to catch them while they're there schooling. They're not busting on top, but they're definitely down there. I bet their fish finder shows them too.
Yeah. Oh yeah. 5 foot below the surface. Extended.
That's probably why your fluke sunk down and hit them. There he is. Second cast. 2 for 2.
Big.
Yeah, I like yours. He came off. Got him. I see your line running on that one. That's not a bad one. Let's go.
Let's go. We're throwing 2 different kinds of baits too, so that's good to know.
Yep.
Guys, I'll leave a link in the description of the GPS coordinates.
Dang, giving my spots away. I'm gonna have to start making you close your eyes when I take you somewhere.
All right, Edward, you can take your blindfold off now.
Yeah.
Guys, I didn't know if I was going fishing or if I was going to die.
Imagine that. Driving down the river, you're all blindfolded up. They think I kidnapped you. Cause we are. There he is. Little dinker. He seemed like he was about pushed out a little more way out here.
Yeah. I'm trying to let that fruit kind of sink down a little further. Try to work it a little bit further back to the boat.
I'm not really sure how deep this jerkbait goes. I would have to say maybe 3 to 5 feet.
If you cast in between that.
Got him. There he is.
Got him, told you.
Hey, the jinx didn't work this time. Nice. There you go, guys.
What are you doing hitting these big old baits?
Trying to hang with the big boys. Like that TikTok song. You want to chill with the big boys.
I had to stand back for a second to see if I really had them.
Oh my gosh, as soon as it hit the water.
I took a wake on that.
Dang, he hit that. I mean, it hit the water and he took off with it. You still in there, my dude? He's... There he is. Oh man, almost broke my rod and lost the fish. I got bit twice. Right there though, around those trees. Right there. That's the one I missed. Ooh, that's not a bad one, bro. That's the one that probably hit mine. It was right back by that tree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm tearing them up on this bandito bug,
Bandito
bro.
might be the juice. Shoot, yeah. He's skinny, but he got a good body frame. Like a big old mouth, big head.
Yeah.
Looks silly like me.
Got some markings on the back. Somebody's been eating them up.
Yep. Ooh, he's still there. That's a bass too. Ain't?
No, that's a gar.
See if he'll hit it. Got him.
That's a bowfin.
The bowfin. That thing was huge.
We go in after.
That was a huge bowfin too. I was just gonna hook him for the fight and hold on for the ride. Wow, I set the hook. That thing, I couldn't move him.
Yeah, I know.
He is over there. See him?
Yeah.
Holy smokes, bro. Gotta record this, bro.
Bro, look at my fucking shirt. Bro, I feel it going down my leg. Oh man, we better catch some fish here. Bro, it is cold.
Woo! Guys, that was probably a drive or a ride that I don't want to do again. God, we are, I mean, soaking wet, and it is still pouring down rain. Whew. That even hurt. My boat only goes like a little over 30, and we freaking, that hurt, felt like rocks hitting us. That was freaking crazy. We made it to the spot that we were trying to get to though. Hopefully we can catch a few more. We got about 45 minutes at the most before we get up out of here. Maybe even sooner if the rain gets too bad. But yeah, let's see what we can make shake and bake here.
Got his fucking mouth.
Yeah, I just had right there. He hit it. Might cross your line. There he is. Oh wow. Yeah, I crossed you though. They're still out there. I'm the old cranking. Ah, he's healthy. Let me get you off. Edward's giving me the look like I need my line back. There, Edward. Good. There we go.
About time.
Something bit him. Got a big old dent in his back. And on the side, other side too. Well guys, we just made it out to the river. We're gonna try to get on that early morning bite. I'm gonna start off with the frog. We're gonna start off in these small little cuts, little creeks and stuff, and see if we can get on a good bite. And then we're gonna probably start working on some big points right off of the main river. So let's get started and let's see how the rest of today goes. I'm excited, man. It's a beautiful day. The water, I don't know if it cooled down, but we had a cold front come in last night. Shouldn't affect the fish too much, so we'll see what happens. Got him? Yep. Nice. I figured there'd be one right there because of those minnows. I saw a bunch of minnows in there.
Got me good.
Nice. Right off the point.
Right off the point.
Think coming in clutch for the morning. I don't know what he wants. It ain't the frog. There's a bite. Got him. Oh my gosh. A bluegill on a 1 ounce flipping jig? Who else has done that?
Bro.
A crazy looking one at that.
Yeah. Prehistoric bluegill.
That's that old river bluegill for you. Well, we'll start the morning off with the bluegill, guys. The elusive bluegill. There we go. There we go.
Okay.
Yeah. Won't be too rough on you.
It won't be too rough on you. Now.
The fluke killer.
Well, who's fluke master?
Yeah. Who's the real fluke master here? There he is. It feels like a good one. It is. Oh, bro, that was a monster.
Was it?
Monster. Oh.
Oh.
You got him? Bro, that's not a bad one either. Mine was probably about a 4 or 5.
Swapping out hooks.
Dead serious. Dead serious, bro. Mine was big. There he is. That looks like a good one. There we go. There we freaking go. Hey. Good stuff, brother. That's almost like the one you lost earlier. It was the first decent fish we've caught all morning.
Yeah.
We lost 2 good ones, and then they were finally hooked into a pretty good fish there.
All the ones I've been catching this morning have been pretty small, so. Come on. There you go.
There he is. Oh my gosh, what a good one. What I tell you, just 5 minutes ago, I just told you, you gotta be patient and that big one will cook. I mean, I knew there would be one here, bro. I knew it would. Good freaking fish, bro.
Oh.
Hey, we need to get that net out.
Oh, yeah.
Got it tucked in. Let's go.
Bro.
Let's go, homie.
Yes.
That's a solid fish there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Gone. Let's keep
Gone.
fishing this. I mean, we still
Bro,
got a lot.
yeah, this is good.
This is juice. There's one. Did you see that? Yeah. Look at that. He just pulled the baby craw off.
Oh, wow.
I got it. Got him that time. Okay.
Okay.
Little pipsqueak.
Little pipsqueak on. Little pipsqueak action.
Oh man.
I like his heart. He got heart.
Yeah, he got heart trying to bite this bait. I'll give him 3 points.
I'll tell you what. I'll tell you who deserves 10 points. Though. That's that bluegill this morning.
Oh yeah. That bluegill was brave. He was about as big as a bluegill. And the bluegills. I've been waiting for you. Got him.
Good one?
Yep. Don't jump. Don't jump. He does not want to come up. Oh, he's pulling drag.
Oh, it's a good one, bro.
Let me see that net if you don't mind. Let's go. Finally gotten a freaking good fish, guys. This is what we have been coming out here for. Catch beautiful. It just came right out too. Look at that. What a beautiful fish. That's a solid fish right there, man. It's a spawned out fish, you guys can tell. Check out the tail. Got the red marks, beat up tail right here. A little bit beat up on the sides. It's a good fish though. We're gonna put him in the live well for pictures. Hit the live well if you don't mind. Well guys, that is gonna do it for today's video. Came out here to the river, had a good time with Edward. We actually caught a few fish. Lost a good one. Edward caught some really good ones on the fluke, and we did a little bit of flipping. We did a little bit of everything. Tried some new spots. This part of the river is actually somewhere I've never fished. It looks the same as everywhere else, but just because it looks the same doesn't mean it is the same. So yeah, we came out here, tried to figure something out, and had a good time doing it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and please share these videos. It really does help the channel grow. So, and most importantly, don't forget to keep it real. It's your boy Eddie, and I'm out. Peace.